It's hot out here. Pretty sure we've beaten the boys, so we made it. Coming in, Monday?
They're coming in. We need our table, boys. Wave your flags to their Kiwis.
These dudes here are also from New Zealand. You on the race?
There's Kiwi dude too. 444 Kiwi guy. Yeah. Oh yeah, that is good.
I thought you were like conservative. Mate, 3 cars away. This truck doesn't sound very good. Look at this guy. Hell yeah. Look at this guy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, he's got a beer. Cruising across, illegally crossing. Illegally crossing. Jaywalk. I don't know if you can see this, there's a lot of people here. Heaps of them.
Nice picture. Yeah, man. Yeah.
I'm gonna give it a call.
So cool.
I'll show you. I'll show you where the guy cost me pretty American.
Did it? Oh yeah. So I'll give you some cash, Crabb.
I wish you had been holding it with the other hand.
Full size in America, these things are proper massive. I've never seen buggies this size. Aussie has an Aussie spec buggy, which is quite a bit smaller than this. This is a proper spec. This is huge. Oh, they're over there, huh?
Okay. Done.
Don't know what he's selling. up, people? We finished.
Maybe don't go put rubbish in his bag. Huh? Don't put rubbish.
That guy's rear arm is held on like fully with a ratchet strap.
Oh, man.
You missed it. Right, time to roll out. I think we're done. This is not actually the party, but it's starting to get a bit rocked up. No, we should have made the applicant. Yeah, that would have been Who let this guy drive? Here you go on. was that. The boys have finished the 1,000 in the bug. We've had a couple of beers. We're going to head back to our whip. Undergone the, what's that, Raptor? Maybe. No, it's definitely F-150. F-150 Underglow. They're making a ruckus, man. This place is mean. This is beyond us, man.
Oh, this is way beyond us.
This is way beyond us. Look at this shit. It's like Disneyland.
Their water. He's got his full camera out.
Yeah, I did.
That only works when you've got hair.
Yeah. So there you go, boys.
Well built, you know. They've really put this bamboo together well. They've treated the bamboo and they've put together some nice.
I hope you guys go to my vlog. Oh, I can't light it. Must be damp.